guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hope. So today's video is a little bit different from my normal content. As you guys know, I pretty much just do hauls and like fashion videos, but some of you guys wanted to see a vlog. So if you guys follow me on my reels, you probably know that I switched the flooring in my room and my bed is no longer in there. So I thought I would film a room tour before I switched it. So I'll just go ahead and insert that room tour clip in this vlog. So this is what you see when you first walk into my room. So as you can see on the right, that's just the door to the bathroom. And it's super messy right now, so I'm not going to show inside the bathroom. And when you walk further into the room, this is pretty much what you see. Right here is the full-length mirror that you guys always see on my reels, and I get questions daily about where this mirror is from. And it's the IKEA Hovet mirror, and I believe it's around $125, which I think is a pretty good deal for a mirror this size. So next up is the ottoman bench that's in front of my bed, and that is from Overstock. And I really wanted something that kind of looked like this but also had storage. I pretty much just keep a lot of my accessories, and if you can see, I keep my belts, hats. Underneath the hats, I keep my sunglasses, like hair clips. Moving on to the bed, it's just a basic white bed frame from IKEA. It's the Malm bed, and it is a queen size. And I think they also have a ton of different options on the bottom part right here where you can get storage if you want. So around the headboard of the bed frame, I just put some LED strip lights, and I thought that would just be a perfect pop of color because I don't have any color in my room. So moving on to this other wall right here, I just have one thing, which is the clothing rack, and then over here is the dresser. So the dresser is from CB2. The vase and pampas grass are also from CB2. And then the rectangle mirror that's sitting on top of the dresser is from Target. And then on the other side of the dresser, I just have a jewelry organizer, which holds all my necklaces and then some rings. And then in front of it, I just have a black coffee table book with a candle sitting on top of it. So darling, won't you fly with me to the rainbow, to the star. Talking about leaving, milk carton, black and white face, smile vacant for the picture. So I'm about to head out to dinner with my cousin, and it's actually my first time dining out in 15 months. So I thought I would put an outfit on just so I could take a quick pic after dinner. 잡는 것처럼 느껴진 나의 세상의 무지가 세겠지만 나는 내게 한 가지 소원을 묻는다면 사랑이란 것을 So I picked up some boba because it's super hot right now. It feels like it's like 110, but it's only 98 degrees. It's way too hot to be shooting pictures right now, and the lighting is way too harsh. So I think we're just gonna go out to get dinner later, and then on the way there or the way back home from dinner, we'll probably take a picture because by then it should be golden hour. What is this called again? The grilled chicken sandwich?